Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make what?
Today
we're gonna make a new recipe for you guys. So from you see us, you know we're gonna make a new recipe.
Yep.
Today we're gonna make some stewed oxtail.
We're gonna make some stew and stew.
Yes, today we're gonna make oxtail. So if you want to see how we make our Jamaican style oxtail, please stay tuned and watch this video. So we're gonna start by washing our meat first. This is 3 pounds of oxtail. So you wanna wash your meat nice and clean. I'm gonna add some vinegar to it. Wash your meat. Use some lime also. Wash them with some lime to get them nice and clean and fresh. We're gonna drain off all this water. Give it another rinse. Nice and clean. We'll be using to season the oxtail is some ground pepper, black pepper. I'm gonna use some. This is about 1 teaspoon of black pepper on it, all through. Some adobe complete season. Badia, shit. It's Badia complete season. My bad. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of this, and this is 3 pounds of oxtail, so you want to get everything well seasoned. Alright guys, now you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder to this. I like to use a lot of garlic on my meat. And some chopped garlic also, 1 tablespoon. Some all-purpose season. This is Jamaican all-purpose season with pimento seed, crushed pepper, and all of that. This gives the oxtail a very, very good flavor. Nice to the bone. When you're done, you want to bite up throughout the bone. So yes, that give that the nice flavor there. Then you're gonna add some green season. This is my special green season that I made with skillet, thyme, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, parsley, you name it, everything in there. So I'm gonna use 2 of this, 2 teaspoons of this in it. And this is very convenient to use, the green seasoning. I'm gonna add some teaspoon of browning to it, because you don't want to use a lot of browning. This will make your oxtail bitter. You just put like a browning pan it to get some color. You just want this to give it a color. Now you're gonna massage everything into this. You're gonna rub in all your seasoning. It's a nice rub. Oh, I forgot to mention the soya sauce. I forgot to mention I'm gonna put some soya sauce on it also. Alright. So I'm gonna massage this in and give this a nice rub. Then I want to give it a taste to see if it's alright. And if it's not alright to you, you can add whatever, but this is good for me. Now we're gonna put this in the fridge to let it marinate. I'm gonna put this in the fridge to let it marinate overnight, because tomorrow I'm gonna cook it. So see you in the morning, guys. See you tomorrow. So we're gonna cover this with a cling wrap. And then put it in the fridge to marinate for tomorrow. Oxtail, I took it out the fridge some quite time now. I took it out about 5 minutes now to let it go and sit. And now we're gonna cook the oxtail. Smells so good. Imagine this. Smells so good I didn't start quick yet.
I want to
Smell it. So now we're gonna turn on our stove. Smell good I didn't start cooking. Okay, so we're gonna turn on the stove. We're gonna put some oil, because we're gonna smear our oxtail. We're gonna give it some color. When I want a white meat runner, so we'll give oxtail some color, waiting for this to get heated, and then we're gonna smear each oxtail. Cooking oxtail is very timely, so if you don't have enough time, you can pressure cook it if you want, but we're gonna do it in a regular pot. We're not gonna pressure it today, but you can go ahead and pressure it. And I don't know why, but I like to add a garlic before. I just add garlic to the oil, season up the oil a little bit, give it a flavor. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for this to happen. We're gonna wait for this to be heated. That's what we're waiting on. After the oil is heated, we're gonna add the oxtail. And we're not gonna add too much, because when you add too much, that's gonna drop the temperature in the pot. You're gonna add one. You had one. We're gonna brown them on both sides. Now that they have a nice color like this, you wanna flip them over to this side. You wanna flip them over on this side. And you're gonna add the rest. You're gonna put them back in the bowl, and you're gonna add that.
Back in the pot.
So you're gonna repeat this step until you burn all your oxtail. It's getting hot in here.
It's
This is nice. It's smell. You're gonna go again. Go ahead back and add all. You're gonna add back everything. Into the pot now. Wait now. We're gonna add 4 cups of water. This is 2. I'm gonna rinse out. Use this rinse out the bowl. Nothing now, waste nothing now, that's true.
That's right.
Alright, so we're gonna get two more cup of water. Maya gonna add that for me. Okay, so add it now. Add it to this, to the pot. All of it. Alright. We're gonna give this a little stir. And leave it and cover it.
Yeah, cover with the feel.
And that. Oh my god, this is bursting with flavor. Smell it. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells really, really good. It's just half an hour in the pot and it smells so good already. All this flavor kicking in. Jesus. Okay, so we're gonna cover this back. An hour now, and the oxtail is looking pretty nice. So instead of adding ketchup, I'm gonna add these fresh tomatoes to the pot. You can go ahead and add ketchup, but I like to add tomato. And this oxtail is almost done. As you can feel it, you can insert a fork and feel it. So in the next half an hour or 30 minutes, I'm going to add my butter bean. Because you don't want to put them in too early to make them smushy, or you cannot recognize that it's broad bean in the pot. So I'm gonna add that when I come back. So I'm gonna leave this for half an hour again, and then when I come back, beans, you can go ahead and skip this part, but I'm gonna add my broad bean to the pot. Look at this nice color. Look at the color. Smells nice. Can't wait to eat this. So you're gonna do this for 10 minutes because the meat is already cooked. So you're just warming up the bean. Let the bean get some of the oxtail flavor in them. Alright. So we're gonna cover this back, and then when we come back it's gonna be done. Oh my god, so this is the finished product, guys. It smells so awesome. Look at this. Oh my god, you want your gravy to be like this. A very nice consistency, no runny gravy. Look at this. Oh my god. You want your oxtail to be soft enough. You want your oxtail to be very tender. Look at this. Oh my. This is very tender and nice. So So this is it, guys. This was easy and fun to make. Hope you enjoy watching our video. Like, share, leave a comment down below. Bye guys.